So when thinking about how much you can afford to spend monthly on a car, the last thing you want to do is get into a payment that can complicate your life. Don't let banks and finance companies decide your budget. So no matter what your pre-approval says, be honest with yourself and about what you can comfortably afford. Typically, it's advised to spend no more than 10% to 15% of your take-home pay on a monthly payment. For instance, if you bring home $4,000 a month, that's $400 to $600 on the high end. But of course, other factors come into play too. Maybe you're paying off credit card debt or other loans, or maybe you don't have a solid emergency fund. In that situation, it's smarter to stay closer to that 10% range or lower. But on the other hand, if you have no debt, few expenses, and a good savings, then it might be okay to lean a little bit on the higher end. Just make sure that the car payment does not prevent you from hitting other financial goals. And it might also help to take the new car payment on a test run. So take whatever you're comfortable paying and set that amount aside for a few months and see how you do. And then ask yourself, was it easy to set that money aside, or did you struggle? And were you still able to save, pay off debt, and enjoy life? And one benefit of a test run is that if you do decide to purchase the car, that money that you set aside can go towards your down payment.